Oh, I love this song. Do you hear it? Everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, this song is dope. I don't know if they can hear it because of copyright reasons.
Well, just believe us. This is a pretty good song.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
It is a dustpan.
That's not bad.
That's not dust, but we'll allow it.
They dumped out the sugar.
Oh, well.
Nice.
Okay, well, I thought he would plug the end up, but no. You know, that was almost a good life hack. Like, if you didn't have a dustpan.
I didn't have one the other day, but I, like a sane person, just ordered one on Amazon and got it next day.
Okay, well, I have no money. So, I'm going to be using this at home.
Are you looking to make a quick yet visually pleasing escape? Use this tip I picked up from a magician.
All right, guys, we got a bottle, we got a funnel, and we got blue stuff.
I just got really bad deja vu.
Why?
I feel like I've seen this before, but
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen this with you guys before.
No, they did it on what's that show called? With Heisenberg.
SpongeBob.
Oh, Breaking Bad? Did they do this?
No, but
Try not to get satisfied and also get mesothelioma from using Johnson.
Oh, wait,
Johnson
whoa.
baby
We gotta
powder.
watch this. Wow. Wow.
Can we get one more replay?
Yeah, can we get one more?
Thank you.
Oh,
Ooh,
they-
different balloons.
Oh,
Different night.
Different.
Oh, different color.
Oh, it made green. Wow.
So you're gonna want to inhale that duster.
It's chalk. You can't get mesothelioma from chalk.
Isn't that the disease where
You
you
are a
like,
loved
like
one, has
breathe in
mesothelioma.
asbestos?
Today we're going to be showing you how to make chocolate oxygen.
Oh, dude, that's really dangerous.
That is actually, yeah.
There needs to
What
be
the
like
freak?
a safety officer for these
What's
guys.
wrong with this guy? Is he okay?
No, he's not. Dude, he's slowly going into madness.
We got a 2 thumbs up there, guys. We got a double.
Once again.
No.
Your Doritos don't even lift, bro. Give those tortillas maximum gains with this easy hack.
Somebody text me, hey, is this Eric? Who is this?
Oh, that was me. My bad.
Dude, if he mashes these Doritos, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, here I am mad.
Angry Chris. It's
Dude,
not a good Chris.
Doritos are the best snack. Why would he ruin them? A honeydew melon. Where do you get a honeydew melon?
Yeah, please explain to me. I've
Honeydew.
never seen one of these.
More like, honey, don't drop that anvil on me.
Honeydew melons look like if you took the skin off a normal watermelon.
Or a cantaloupe.
Why couldn't the two fruits marry each other?
Because they honeydew.
Because they cantaloupe.
All that build up for a glancing blow?
Excuse me, sir. That's not hot, but your mom is. No, I like your mom. She's a nice lady. I think she's pretty cool.
She loves everybody.
This just says smash that B-O. Okay. Really?
Why do they have men deodorant and women deodorant?
I don't know, because I think they're sexist.
Yeah, I mean, it's like having men and women pins.
To be honest, why do they even have deodorant,
To be honest, why do they even have men and women? We should just have one gender.
right?
Why is this hack a thing?
Because what if you want smush deodorant?
What if you hate the gender bias of deodorant? Bro?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you're giving it to the man.
You want some cottage cheese? What does this look like? A word I can't say, lasagna? Get out of here.
Does anyone actually buy cottage cheese?
Fat free.
What do you do with
baby.
cottage cheese? Oh, that.
Terrible person if you enjoy cottage cheese.
Dude, that is gone.
This is definitely a life hack. Just cottage cheese.
Can't
Destroy.
say that.
Yeah, you gotta say destroy cottage cheese.
Oh, really?
Destroy.
Destroy.
Game end.
Oh wow, it only has 80 calories though.
You've never learned how baked apples are made, but you know there's heat involved. Wing it and see how it goes.
Look, an apple is hanging.
Okay, so
Now they're cooking apples.
with the success of the, I can't talk. I'm done. All right, I'm done.
All right, see you. Bye.
Oh no, my skin. Why does he, hold on. Why does he have a mask on?
What would happen?
And what the
Dude,
heck
wait.
are
He
you
has a
doing?
face shield and a mask.
Fruit Ninja.
You're not supposed to show your face. You're fired.
That's the first time I've seen face.
You're fired.
Hashtag face revealed.
Fired. You're not supposed to show your face.
Work smarter, not harder. Next time you can't reach the remote, use an extendo grabber instead of those weird legs of yours.
Stendo.
Why is there music?
The boys are having a good time,
Yeah,
aren't
dude,
they?
they're partying out right now.
It's pretty sick.
Oh, I know what he's about to do.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Engineering, dude. That's what his 4 years at engineering college got him.
Good
Do you
one.
think that grabber could grab some meaning out of my life?
Probably not.
Oh, man.
That's actually really good. Oh, dude, that's amazing.
Yeah.
There you go.
There it is. Oh,
And
Humpty Dumpty.
I'm glad it was an egg, so that way if he dropped it, it was very satisfying. Good
Okay.
job.
Well, no thumbs up, but I'll give that video a solid 2 out of 10.
Wow, that was really generous.
Yeah.
Use this simple hack to tell if your milk is spoiled or not.
Milk.
Why did they put that divot in milk?
What?
No, it's for air.
Dude.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Chandler taught me something today. Are you serious?
No, I made that up.
Okay, that's what I thought.
But
doesn't
that
make-
sounded
what-
right.
I
though.
think
For air?
it's. I think
for
it's.
air.
Yeah, I
what,
can
is, what
say
does that
anything.
mean?
It's for air.
It's for air, dude.
The milk needs oxygen. It'll go bad
Sunlight
quicker.
I love how we didn't even talk about an anvil hitting a thing of milk. We're just talking about the milk bottle itself.
All it is anvils hitting stuff.
Having trouble opening your Coke? So is this guy.
All right, guys, I'm gonna put my Ray-Bans on because this stuff's getting pretty fire, if you know what I mean.
Why would you put Ray-Bans on for fire? When
this-
you need
this-
like a mask?
No, this stuff's hot, dude.
Yeah, but hot doesn't mean sunglasses.
When you're as
blinding.
cool as me, the sun shines you to. Okay, I just messed that up. I'm done.
Yeah, so is that guy with that Coca-Cola.
What is he doing? Wait, there's an extra set of hands in the left corner.
What is going on
Who
here?
is there?
Oh,
That didn't work.
that camera just got hit really hard.
Finally, he broke it open.
So the hack here was for the magnet to do nothing and then just slam a bottle of Coke.
I guess so.
That's pretty good.
Also, how to be a stupid American.
Setting off the lunk alarm at Planet Fitness, like most problems, you can just fix it with a big block of cheese. Watch.
Okay.
He took a bite out of the. Oh my god.
Oh wow,
that
would
looks
stand
so
behind that.
bad.
I would eat it.
Have you ever seen a block of cheese that big?
Ooh,
Where did they get that? Where
I don't
can you
know.
just buy blocks
Like
of
that
cheese?
was huge.
probably the store, dude.
Oh, look at the thing it made.
It was like a foot long.
Your mom's a foot long.
No, she's not. She's like 5'6".
Well, she's taller than Eric.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Did you know Chris is actually 5'2"?
Here's some clips from the series finale of SpongeBob SquarePants.
I don't get it. Who is
Dude.
that? Oh, this is Fairly Odd Parents.
Fairly Odd Parents, yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Timmy Turner, who lives in his pineapple. Well, he should have just wished for Cosmo and Wanda to make that not happen.
They
Yeah,
set
that's
us up.
fact.
They set us up for a great joke, and you just ruined it.
Yeah, well, this is too easy, man.
Yeah, this is way too easy.
I can't just take advantage of something like this.
Anyway, that dead pineapple reminds me of somebody. Steven Hillenberg.
Oh my god.
In this episode of Life Hacks, we learned how to make a giant Tic Tac.
Oh, dude, look at the Golden Girls shirt. I like that shirt.
Well, I haven't seen that before.
Oh, he's gonna juice it. Get the juice. O.J. Simpson.
This orange is guilty.
Why do so many
This
people
orange
get...
is acquitted of all charges.
Pac-Man.
Simpson? Oh, it is Pac-Man. Look. He's screaming.
So now that-
Waka, 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 waka. Oh, you haven't done any Pac-Man sounds. Knowles, what's your Pac-Man sound?
I've never cooked a banana, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to peel it before you apply the iron.
That's a lengthy banana. That is very lengthy. Holy crap.
Feel bad for your girlfriend, man.
Yeah, man. I do too.
She can't eat that much banana. Dude, she's gonna have... It's gonna be wasted.
It's too much potassium.
Yeah.
Just can't handle it.
Yeah. That banana's way too big for probably anybody.
Yeah.
I don't think we could have found a more appropriately named food for this hack. Welcome to the Squash Squash.
Oh, guys, anvil versus squash. Dude, this is gonna be great because that's a squash.
Have you ever wanted to anvil your squash? Squash your anvil? Squash your squash.
Oh.
Why can you squash something but you can't anvil
Ooh.
something?
Chris, guess what?
What?
That squash just got
Squash.
smashed.
This is why Eric left. He's just too funny. No one can say anything when he talks.
I know. Also my BO. You guys can't smell it, but man, it's bad.
Fun fact, this is actually how they pitched Designated Survivor to ABC.
Eggs.
I like eggs.
18 large.
Who's gonna make the first how to basic joke?
Go for it.
Is this how to basic? That wasn't very funny.
That was great.
That
Oh
was
my
really
god.
good. Thanks, guys.
Comedy
I
awards.
appreciate it. Thank you.
We've had a couple of guests here. The
Uh-huh.
Spanish speaker was really good, but you're probably the best.
Dude, thank you. Are we supposed to talk about these videos that are on the screen?
No, sometimes we just ramble. And
Okay,
the guys
cool.
in Dallas kind of like it when we ramble, I guess.
I like the guys in Dallas. Everything's bigger in Texas, you know.
Unless you move there.
I tried to move to Texas, but it didn't work.
They wouldn't let you in. They're like, everything's bigger. Get out. You're below average.
Do you need a cruddy picture frame to go with your child's crappy drawing of an owl? Look no further than a 75-cent bag of popsicle sticks and some glue.
I have this shirt.
Are you the Flash?
I am.
Did you forget your Mother's Day present? And now your mom's like, oh, you don't love me. And you're like, I do, but I just don't care. So,
And then your mom hits you with the car.
been there, done that. Except for it was a flip-flop.
Flip-flop, dude.
You ever been hit with a flip-flop? Does not hurt. I ended up laughing at her, and then she got really mad because I laughed at her.
You ever been hit with a DS?
No. Did she hit you with your DS?
You
No,
ever
my
been
brother
hit with
did.
reality?
It
That
broke.
sucks.
That
off
one
my
hurts. Reality hurts.
Reality's rough.
Is your surface cleaner not reaching every surface? Layer everything in your home with Lysol fast with this hack.
Dude, used to, they would spray this on the desk in the classroom, and then the entire classroom would smell like it, and like you couldn't breathe.
Dude, you ever just inhale straight Lysol because you hate yourself?
Why do you keep going? Is there something you want to talk about?
Oh, no, I'm really happy. I'm a happy guy. Anyway, you ever just inhale straight Lysol because you work at Chipotle?
Not only Chipotle, but Chicago Chipotle.
The CIA is going to get mad at me for telling you this, but if you've ever ordered a baked potato in foil and it was super hot, this is how they did it.
Oh, microwave and
Oh,
aluminum
boy.
foil?
Here we
This
go.
ought to be
Oh,
good.
somebody's taking a book out of Mr. Beast.
Yeah, dude, they're
Mr.
copying.
Beast's
That's a
old
big
catalog.
ball.
Have you ever seen where they polish aluminum foil?
Yeah. that's
Oh wow,
sexy.
way to miss that.
Okay, so he's gonna. What's going on with the numbers over there,
It's
bro?
because it's an OLED screen, man.
Oh, okay. Because I thought he put it in for 99 minutes.
Oh, he did.
is gonna be a long video, guys.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
That's how they make thunder and lightning, I
Bro,
bet.
that was a short 99 minutes.
It did nothing.
Ooh, it's a
That's
hot
hot.
boy.
40.
Oh.
Why? Why would he do that?
Because he hates himself because his life hacks suck.
Don't forget to subscribe to Eric on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Period Beast as well. Subscribe button is right there. Right there. Yep. See you looking at it. Just go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. You do it? Still waiting on ya. There you go.